Come back to SNS Kesana apho sithetha ngendaba zabantu singabuzwanga ulapha nje uthandazana naqala. If you're new to the channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. It is free of charge, guys. So I think it's a month ago uGugu was kukwabo ayo yellow whatever that she went for visitor abazali bakhe, and then she posted that she was fixing ikhaya lakhe, which is why wabane vlog. Apparently kuye kwabakho lo mntu usibulele or something like that, man, wathumela wabhala uba uGugu wathetha mani ngento ezi-sensitive zabantwana basoza benabantwana isibele sakhe sithintini like into ezidikayo umuntu odikayo usibulele kahle ndandikhavarishile that, guys. So uGugu apparently uGugu sangayibonela DM and then yabukhe bemxelele ukuthi sana sana usisikepseli sendoda, why uvuma umfazi agoduke. Guys, abafazi bayavunyelwa bagoduke emaXhoseni. Like if ungumfazi womXhosa uyagoduka, awulahlwanga kokwenu, and into obutshate doesn't mean ba awusozugoduke. Point number 1, tshatele emaXhoseni nakuGugu. So amaXhosa akanangxaki nomfazi ogodukayo, thina amaXhosa sinangxaki noba umakoti wasekhaya agoduka aye kokwabo ayokwenza whatever thina engasidingi, whether uye kwenzani ayisifuni kokwabo phaa. And okwesibini, I like the fact that uGugu finally now she is addressing, njengoba nje ningenantliziyo ude undikhese ngoba andifumani bantwana, awungothixo wena. You like it for her, mxelele uba udiniwe mantana abantu ayingothixo. I mean, like, guys, why singakwazi ukhetha izinto masizithethe ngabantu? Ewe siyathetha ngabantu but hayi mani ezinye izinto yo sana athi ngomphende kamandi. Xelele uba yena apha emhlabeni wayezizele yedwa, uzawuzihambela yedwa, futhi nje uThixo nguye otshuza izinto zonke anazo emhlabeni, akhange azikhethele, akhange azicelele. And uThixo xa idicide ukumpha abantwana uzampha abantwana ngexesha eli-right. And yena she has no business in ancestors. Yo yena akananto akayenzele ancestors, and therefore she's not expecting anything from her ancestors. Thembe uThixo, love it for uGugu sana lwam. And guys, makesiyeke kodwa uba insensitive. Yo guys, I really like the fact that she responded, and in a very calm and respectful manner. If you want to watch the full clip, nizanifakela clip nje apha Gugu's channel, guys, and go subscribe, by the way, because she just reached 150 subscribers. And go and subscribe, guys, if you haven't subscribed into her channel. Kusine Gugu sana ni subscribe just to support the channel. Kuzodana umtyholi. Kuzodana umtyholi. What do you guys think about this? Kuthixo siza understand ezo noxa zikwiifemeli zethu ne uba andina control yabantwana mna. Sana we learn every day mntasekhaya, we are learning every day, but I like the fact that she stood up for herself. Vele ke phofu uGugu akalugwala, uyaziphendulela. So she took time and waphola, wahamba waya eSweden, wabuya. Yo, now uyasiphendula ke ngoku. I like the fact that umyeni wakhe, because I could feel ipain yakhe when she explains yonke le nto yokuthi like uThixo uzamnika abantwana ngexesha eli-right. And futhi uGugu zangaze kwi-social media athi udinga abantwana, guys. Uyo wangena la myeni wakhe sheme bethukwa caba uyiqondile uba yo shem umfazi wam. And yo jonga that kiss, shem uGugu deserved it all. Like uye ebeyideserve ngela xesha. I mean yo Mr. Kekana was the best sana lam. But okay, what do you guys think about this? Asidibane, let's meet on the comment section, guys. Apha zonke i-views zobantu zivalid, as long as, guys, singekho krwada, couldn't just be krwada to one another, we can share our views and yeah ngendlela enembeko nje kahle. But ke umuntu ongenambeko from ngoku abakho nto somenza yena sana angafana bengumrado asingeni ndawo. Very much love you so much ke sana.
Wash fridges, but I'm never gonna vlog that because I want it to be, number one, I want to protect them. Number two, there are things that I want to keep to myself. There are things that are sacred. There are things that are special, and there are things that I just wanna things that I just want them to be private. And I need you guys, I know not all of you, but I need you guys to respect that. Another thing, when it comes to saying to me, I basically felt like this person was cursing my womb, saying that I'll never have children. Number one, I came in this world with nothing. I don't know about you guys or about this person. Maybe they came with things in this world. I came in this world with nothing. I'm gonna leave this world with nothing. I aspire for a lot of things, and everything that I've acquired is because God gave me those things. Okay, my parents. Let me start there. I was blessed with parents. I didn't choose them. God chose them for me. The life that I'm in now, I didn't choose it. God chose it for me. My education, God blessed me with that. I struggled to get an education. I started with NEFSAs. I struggled. I was knocking on doors after my NEFSA. My marriage. I'm the best. I'm the most beautiful girl out there. Oh, I'm a baby. Oh, but God gave him to me. And every day in this marriage, I see how the word gave. And I say God borrowed him. I don't know for how long. Even my life, when I'm busy breathing, it's a borrowed life. I'm not gonna be here forever. It's borrowed. It's not mine. I didn't ask for it. I didn't say, oh, God down, designed me, and he said, here, this is yours. You can use this while you're on earth. And the day he remembers me and he wants to take me, he will come and he will take. You understand? Even the earthly things that I have, this house, my marriage, my parents, my everything that I have, whenever he feels like, Gugu, I borrowed you this, it's time for you to give it back, he'll take it. Same thing applies with kids, right? Same thing applies with children. I never knew I was going to get married at the age I was going to get married at. I didn't even know who I was going to marry. But because I gave my life to God, I'm like, when you feel it's time, when you feel it's the right time, and when you feel what you're ready to give me this, you will give it to me. And he has never, ever, ever failed me. And I'm saying this because even with children, you guys can speak. I see you guys make videos about me with children. This God, when it's time, he will only speak once. And it's going to happen. I'm not stressing. I am not. Give me such DMs. Yeah, ancestors will never give you. I'm not looking at ancestors to give me kids. I'm not. I've never even looked. There's nothing that I've ever done for ancestors. My life is in God's hands, and He's not gonna fail me. He never failed me before. Before you knew me, He didn't fail me. He's not gonna fail me now that you know me. You understand? So you don't have the power to curse me.